Data security and compliance in the public cloud without hardware. Find out how next. SDR News coverage of AWS reInvent was made possible by Dome 9, total control and visibility over your cloud, and by Garantia, the in-memory NoSQL company offering enterprise-class Redis for developers. Encapsula, website security, always-on protection from bots and DDoS and real-time stats on visitors and threats. Skillbase, leveraging MySQL and scaling out data at the speed of your business. And eMind, architecting, building, and operating enterprise-grade clouds in billion-dollar HIPAA, PCI DSS, and SOX environments. More coverage of AWS reInvent online or on the SDR News Roku channel.
The AWS reInvent floor, SDR News, and my name is Ofir Nachmani from IamOnDemand.com. Together with us right now is Ariel from Porticor. How are you, man?
Very good.
How is the show?
Looking good so far.
Excellent.
We're excited to be here.
Excellent. So the question will be, what are the challenges that the Amazon user have that you help them to overcome?
Sure. So Porticor provides data encryption and key management. And the solution that we provide helps user mainly in the compliance space. So we see a lot of good traction with healthcare as a service, PCI compliance, and in general, customers who need data security in their public cloud account. And this is kind of the challenge that we're solving as a service with no hardware installed. It's actually pretty cool.
So we're talking about encryption of the traffic, of the data?
Yep, so we're talking about a few things. We're talking about the data encryption, either at rest, which is on the actual EBS disk or S3, but also data in motion using IPsec. But what we keep telling our users is that data encryption is the easy part. The complicated part is key management, and how are you making sure that your encryption keys are not available to anyone but yourself? And Snowden and the recent NSA PRISM issues have highlighted this issue, where the customer should be the only one who has access to his encryption keys. And the solution that we provide actually splits the key in half and provides the customer with his half of the key so that nobody, either the cloud provider or Porticor themselves, can ever see the master key or the encryption keys of the user.
Very interesting. But tell me what is the way that how they consume your services, how it works actually,
Oh, that's a great question. So unlike traditional solutions where you need to ramp up this highly complicated hardware security module, all you need to do with Porticor is to register in our website, go through a 3-steps wizard, and we will take care of the rest. So as part of that wizard, we will generate the encryption project, we will implement a new virtual appliance inside the customer environment in either Amazon Web Services or other supported cloud, and we will take care of the encryption and the key management automatically. So we will split the key, we will provide the customer with his half key, and it's all automatic. And again, as mentioned before, software as a service.
Sounds cool. And how the enterprise, we saw in the keynote, enterprises, big enterprises that migrate, that move all their stuff to Amazon Cloud. How you help them? Do you help them? Do you have use case like that?
Yes, absolutely. So we're seeing a few use cases. Specifically for the enterprise, their need is on a highly scalable key management system. But as they tell us, key management on its own is not enough. They need to integrate data encryption into it. And this is where we step in and provide a holistic approach of both data encryption and key management. For those large enterprises, we integrate with their orchestration to automate the encryption process as well. So everything is automated using a RESTful API. They can automatically create an encrypted disk, generate an encryption key, or do everything that they need in order to get encryption as close as it possibly can be to their application stack.
So just for me to understand, we're talking about an enterprise guys that knows what is security, they know what is encryption. So they come to you and you said, I'll give you the encryption, as a service. You don't take control, I'm taking the control, cloud stuff, right? Or am I wrong?
Well, yeah, it's twofold. The key management part is provided as a service, but it's very important to highlight that we actually implement machine image, a Porticor virtual appliance inside the customer account. So he controls that, it's in his environment, and only he can run and manage his encryption services.
So the controllability is still there.
Absolutely.
You saw it's important for the enterprise guys, huh?
Yes, absolutely. It's truly important to keep the control over there, and we will make very, very sure that nobody but them can ever access the encryption. What we will do for them, at the end of the day, is provide them with a solution that encrypts their data. So it doesn't make any sense that we will encrypt the data for them. They encrypt their own data. We will make sure that their encryption keys kind of joined into the solution.
Very cool. So how they can reach you? How they can get more information?
The easiest way is www.porticor.com, and we'll get back to them as soon as possible.
Excellent. And how is the show?
It's amazing. We love it. There's a lot of traction.
Excellent, excellent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.